Hello everybody, welcome back, and now we will create our tires for the rickshaw. So for tires I just have created this type of shape because unfortunately we have applied the mirror, and now we can just manually create this type of section. And I just created this loop, and we can select this loop till here, I think, to sorry, till this place, and also this place. And now we can just extrude it outside. EX again, EX again, and now if we go to this side we can select this EX again, and EX again. So this is the problem without mirroring. Okay, so whenever we do this type of work, sometimes we have a lot of problems with the consistency. Anyhow, we can apply the modifier, and now you can see we have a nice loop here like this, and that is fine. We will add our wheels here. Okay, so although we should cut out this section as well little bit if we want to do so, but I will not do that. I will keep it like this, and let's create the wheel now. Okay, so for creating wheel we can have some reference, or we can create wheel without any reference. So I will create a wheel with the scale issue because we can face, so I will just enable this, and now we can start creating wheel by creating a circle. And now we will just go to edit mode and RY 90 degree to create this type of circle. We can just go to 3 for side view. We can just go to place it here. Okay, and S to scale it. Okay, and then we can press Shift D and S to scale it. So we have a duplicate here, and then we will select both circles, and with A we can select, and we can go to edge, and we can bridge edge loops. We can create certain loops here inside. Okay, and that's it. Now what we can do, we can select certain areas. So for example, with this polygon selection, you can see this area is selected already, so that's good. And we will keep deselecting two sections like this. Okay, like this, and then after 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 we can deselect, because we have 32 total vertices. That's why I am counting like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then this section, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that's good. Now we can just delete the faces, and we have this type of shape. That's good. Now we'll go to front view, and we'll just select everything. We will just move it here, and we will just go to mirror it to another side, and then we will just enable the clipping as well. We will press EX to extrude it, EX, and EX to join it. Okay, that's nice. Now we have this type of rim, and now we will select this loop, actually this loop. Okay, and then we can just extrude it to x-axis a little bit, extrude it to x-axis a little bit, and S to scale it. And then again we will just press EX to extrude it, and ES to scale it, and F to fill out the faces. So now if we go to apply the subdivision surface, you can see that we have a nice rim. Okay, so that's very nice. We have successfully created a rim here, and we can apply the shade smooth as well. So that's good. We have a rim, and now we have to create the tire. So for tire we will just create a circle here, mesh, and the circle, and we can just go to edit mode, and actually before creating circle we can just I will just go back and right click shift A, mesh circle, and we will just make these vertices to something like 48, or maybe 48 and 48, 102, so it will be big number, so 48 is fine, and or we can multiply these vertices with 4, so I think 52, 54, 56 and 60, and okay, let's make these vertices 60. Okay, and then we will enter that, and now we can go to edit mode, and we can press RY 90 degree to rotate it to 90 degree. We can go to side view, we can just add it to our rim, okay, like this, and we'll just scale it, scale it a little bit more, and we'll just place it to the right position, scale it again, and now you can see it's now in the better position, I think so. Little bit, scale it little bit. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so now this is at the right place, but I think a little bit scale inside, and yeah, okay, that's almost fine. So okay, so now we will just go to add it here, and we'll just go to modifier mirror, and now we'll just enable the clipping. We will just press EX, and we'll just move it outside. We'll just press S to scale it, and then we'll just again press ES to scale it outside, and we'll just move it inside as well, ES, and then I think this much tire is good. Okay, and then we will just press ESX and EX again, and finally EX again. Okay, so now we will need a threads here, so we'll just create a section here, and I also will create a loop here as well. So now we need these threads, so we'll select this section with control click, control click. Oh, what happens? Control click, something wrong. Anyhow, yeah, actually we selected wrong loops, so we'll select this loop first, the external, the outer loop, sorry, and then we will select the inner loop, so shift click, and then we will select the inner loop like this, okay, now two loops are selected. We will just go to extrude individual, and we will just extrude it outside, and you can see nice threads here. We will just go to select individual regions, and we will just press S to scale it inside, and that's nice. You can see nice threads here. We can go to apply subdivision surface, and also we will just apply it to, and also I will just go to shade smooth, and now you can see very nice tire here. Okay, so we'll select tire and the rim, and we'll just join these two, and now we have only one tire here. Okay, although problem is that we will just undo the selection, and we will keep it like this, the separate, because we will, after adding the textures, we will join these two tires. Okay, so in next video we will add textures, and that after that we will just join these two, rim and tire, with for a single object rim. Okay, so that's nice. So we have successfully created the tire, and we can enable the collection, and here you can see the rickshaw, and here you can see the rickshaw, and we can place these tires to the right positions. So if we select the rim and the tire, and if we move it, we can move it to front view like this, and the side views also will be okay. And after texturing we will adjust the tires, and we will also adjust the position of the tires. So for now you can see that the tires are fine, but you can see this section is not too good for the tire, so we will solve this issue. So we'll definitely move this vertices a little bit back. That's it for this video. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.